how we are going to work in our classes. I just get directly the thing. Is it okay? And so whether before getting into it, whether you know any prerequisite for learning, whether you know any SQL, and
Yeah,
the
I
second
know.
thing is the basic Unix.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, and if you know this thing, so how we will be working in a sense is we will be working on Oracle VirtualBox, or we will be working in VMware workstations.
Okay.
Is it okay? And that
Yeah.
we have installed on Oracle Enterprise Linux. Okay,
Okay.
I'm going to work on Linux 6.3, and we are going to work on Oracle Database
Okay. 11G.
R2. Okay, the present the release on the Linux based version. This is the thing we are going to have it, and we are going to have it, everything is in a practical session, so that's the reason why we will be working on this thing. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So how we will be working in the senses and how our machines will be in the senses, can you see here you have multiple VM virtual boxes we have created to work on. Can you see that right now? So this is
Yeah.
the thing. Is it okay? So right now um, so now I think, do you have an experience working in the Linux, I think so, no? So this is the thing that we'll be working up. I was saying you this thing. Can you see right now? So here we are working on the Oracle VM VirtualBox, and this is the
Okay.
server. So here we have installed all the things on this particular Oracle Linux server. To get into the basics, first of all, I just want to ask you, what is a database and what are the roles of a DBA are? Any DBA, because you have multiple DBAs. Is it correct or not? Got it?
Yeah.
So anyone
Yeah.
could be a DBA in the sense is, the DBA in the sense is every DBA. I don't think about right now we are discussing only with the Oracle DBA. But I want to have a, even you have a Sybase DBA and you have a Microsoft DBA. Okay, what does a DBA role is? Exactly. What are the main responsibilities, the roles and the responsibilities of a DBA are? So a DBA can do, see the thing is, what he administer in the sense is, he administer the roles and responsibilities. What are the database first of all? Do you have an idea about it? What is a database?
Not much.
What is a database? And what we do as a DBA, what are the main, why we use database administration in the census? What is a DBA database? What we store in this thing?
Store data.
Yeah, we store the data in what kind of a format that we store? We store the data in a
The
format called RDBMS databases. What it is? A
uh,
relational database management systems. Is it or not? We store
yeah.
the data in a form of rows and
Column.
columns. This is the thing. Is it or not? We store the data in a rows and a columns manner. So this is the thing. If I want to store any data, I'll be using this RDBMS databases, and there are many number of RDBMS databases. What are the databases that you have? You have Oracle, you have a Sybase, you have okay, you have a DB2 database, and you have MS SQL Server. Is it correct or not? You have a
Yeah.
MS SQL Server. You have and Teradata. You have a Teradata like this. The things are there. What are the things are there? You have a, these are the different databases which supports relational database management systems. Is it clear?
Yeah.
What it is? It supports a relational database management systems. This is the thing. Got it? So right now, if I want to store, so what I'll be storing in the sense is it will be storing up so a number of things. For example, how we need to do it. Okay, so a database will be storing up all these things, and what we store it, how we store it. In the sense is we will be storing in this database. What we'll be storing up, we will be every database stores
Schemas.
schema objects. What are the schema objects in the sense is we create tables. Is it correct or not? Views, synonyms. These are all the things that we create in the Oracle database. Is it clear or not? What we store? We store the data into the database, into a schema objects. We create these tables, views, synonyms, procedures. These are all these things in the Oracle databases. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, as a, what are the, then what is the roles of the, what is the, in every database, what are the database administrator do? What is the DBA? What he does? He needs to, why we need to do his? What is a DBA? And what are the main roles and the responsibilities of a DBA are in the senses? For example, right now, he manages it. What he manages? He needs to store this information in the database. If I want to store the information, I need to create a database. What is it? I need to create a database. For example, if a users want to store it, how I need to do it? What are the every tasks? What are the tasks of an administrator are? He needs to create, he needs to plan and create databases. And he needs to manage the availability. Is it okay? And he needs to know the physical and the logical structure of the Oracle. He needs to know the physical. This is the most important thing that you need to know in the database. Every database contains a physical and logical.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
What does it contains? Yes, please. Are you able to listen? Is it okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me clearly?
Hello.
Yeah, can you
Hello.
hear me clearly? Hello?
Yeah, sometimes it is breaking.
Oh really?
Yeah. Just now from last 15 seconds or 20 seconds.
Oh. Okay, so what we have in the sense is here as an Oracle database, once I create a database, you will be creating some physical and logical structures in Oracle. Is it clear? And also we manage the
Yeah.
storage information, and we'll be knowing how we manage our security purpose. And what we'll be doing in the sense is the most important thing is networking. Okay, how to connect to these databases and all these things, and how to take this backup of the database, how to restore it, and how to recover it, and what is it in the senses, how to use the database tuning. So these are all the things that we do. Okay, are you understanding?
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so once I create a database, what is in the senses, once I create, okay, once I create the things, what you have in the sense is how the Oracle, what you need to know as a DBA in the sense is, first of all, once I create an Oracle database, you will be having up the logical and the physical structure. What is it? You have a physical structure. You'll have the physical structure and the logical structure. What is the physical structure? So this physical structure in the sense is, okay, so what is the physical structure in the sense is you have a,
Hello.
okay, what is the physical structure in the sense is when you can see this physical structure, when the database is up and running or shut down, you're going to see it. Okay, what is it? Even you can see what you're going to see the thing. Once the database is created, you're going to see some physical files on the file system, where on the operating system. So what you can see, every database, once the database is created, you're going to see some set of data files and some set of control files. Is it okay? And some set of
Hello.
redo log files, some set of, what is it in the senses, some set of archive redo log files, and some set of alert log files. These are the things that you're going to see it in a database. See, let me show you one thing, how it will be in the census. Can you see right now? This is a
Yeah.
database. In this database, what is the thing that you are seeing here? It's physical files, which will be created on the database. Data files, control files, and redo log files. Can you see right now? I'll show on the Windows database. I have created physical files. I'll be showing up Aura data. This is the name of the database. On the database, once a database has been, this is a control file. These are the 3 redo log files, and these are the database files. Is it clear? These are all the database files. Got it or not?
Yeah, I know
Okay.
this.
So these are the physical files of a database, and you can see the archive log files also, and you can see the parameter file also for a database. So these are the physical things. Even right now the database is not running right now, to be honest. The database still it is not running. From when it is not running, the database is not running from 547. Is that okay? Okay, it has been shut down. So still it is running right now. So then you are seeing that this is a database. Got it? Now if the database is there right now,
Hello.
okay. Yeah, yes. Hello.
Yeah, okay. Network is slow sometimes.
Oh really? Yeah, I think you're
Yeah.
facing any issues from your side or my side. I don't know. The thing is, to be honest.
Here it is showing network is low. Right side
No, for
go to
me it is
meeting
not
window is
showing
there, right?
anything. Yeah, for me it is not showing anything, to be honest.
Yeah, it's so from my side only.
Oh, it's from your side. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
So we are using common network.
Oh, actually you're breaking a lot, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, we can continue. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
thing. So here, what we'll be doing in the sense is here we are seeing the physical structure, and these are all the things that you are seeing of the physical first files once the database is being created. But in the one phase that you'll be seeing the logical structure. What is a logical structure in the sense is when the database is up and running. What you're going to see the two things. One is The most important thing for the database is table spaces, which is nothing for data files. And one more thing, when the database is up and running, what you're going to see, the most important thing is schema objects. What we are going to see are tables, views. These are all the things that we are going to see here. Here is the thing. Can you see here? This is the logical structure, and what it is, this is a physical structure.
Yeah, okay.
Every database
Yes,
will be
schemas
seen.
and users are same.
Yeah, schemas are the senses. See how your user connects up. That's
Yeah,
honestly,
with some
the
user.
database should be up and running. Is it correct not? Then only he can
And
see the schemas. He can create the schemas.
yeah,
Is it correct or not? If he wants to create any
yeah,
information in the database, then what he'll be seeing up? Then all the things will be seen when the database is up and running.
yeah, okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. Can you
Yeah,
hear me?
yeah,
Okay, okay. So this is the database. A database is nothing but you need to create a database. After creating the database, once the database is being created and it is running, you're going to see this all these things. Is it clear or
okay.
not?
Yeah, clear.
So right now the thing is, once the database has been created, so you are going to run it. So and you are going to run a database and have the database simple thing. For example, if I want to see the thing, I have a database right now just here, and assume I have a database called sales database. I have it. Is it okay? I'm showing you as you are going to see the logical structure, the users. Is it okay? And how you're going to do it in the census, and you're going to connect it. And can you see right now the database has been opened? Is it clear? Once the
Yeah,
database is opened, you can do any kind of a transactions.
okay.
That is the thing a DBA does. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
So this is the thing, sir. We are going to have in our classes. Every class will have a practicals compulsory. Each and every topic.
Okay.
That's the main thing. Yeah. Any questions you have, please?
Oh,
If you, any topics to be covered, all these things, any questions, and kindly let me know.
yeah, is Oracle 12C concepts are included in this course.
Oh yeah. What is there in that?
Okay.
There is no much difference. You have only what is that in the sense is you have a CDB and
Only,
PDB.
yeah,
A small concept is there. There is not much difference in 11G and 12C. Hello, hello.
ah,
Yes, sir. Any questions still?
no more.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. I think you're breaking a lot, I think so. Hello? Yeah,
Hello.
yes. Any questions, Andy? If you want to have any questions, you can ask still.
No more questions.
Okay. Thank you, Andy. Thanks a lot. Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye.